Who yan say Uncle Kojo Kofi Adjololo. A hodi man be our your producer. And there's a man need the car. With our penache. Man, let me tell you. Look at the life of Leah Dabo. Look at the life of Don Letter. Look at the life of Joe Sotingo.
Yeah.
Look at the life of Company. You are sure more.
Yeah.
Into almost over some Copamadiana. So all them patchen, person almost Copamadiana, and now person Copeja blocks and God has given them talent to feed on.
To get a day job, and you don't get a day job, and you think that producers, you wait for producers to come and give you big money, then continue waiting. As for me, I will continue with my day job. If I get a good job on acting, I will go and act. But no, but Uncle Kofi, if you want to wait for producers to give you big money, wait. As for me, I'm going to do my work. Bros, I will get a day job, and I will continue advising young actors to get a day job. I've worked in Nigeria, I've worked in South Africa, I've shot movies in the UK. I'm an actor as well. Get a day job as an actor and support yourself. Don't come and complain about producers. Otherwise, sign contracts. Be professional and sign a contract.
Oh, we shall do that.
You're like my father. But your comments about going to apologize to my father's grave shows how shallow everything is right now. Uncle Kofi, you were not professional enough to sign contracts for producers. Don't complain about them. Let's take the job serious. None. That is why I don't complain.
Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. You're from me, Armstrong, Poleeno Ade, Dada. Before you watch this video, patch up or subscribe to the channel. Click a bell notification anytime you post any video, you get it straight. When say many me bra penny to mention the nurse and come so the nurse for entertainment. And then I so. Nancy and hear video be I trend your social media. Yeah, Papa Kofi Adjololo. Nane both ye. Say producer be Edeneka. E could be saying actors ni be reply and say me bring a film eba. And say na ye bra o hey de. Ye benji nchenchemu na ya hwe baby a e kwan e fa so a e buy ene baby a e copy na oso wonya mu nchiremu ye. Bra, me ma call ba Poleeno Multimedia.
Ogode.
Ya me ade.
Mbusa aboko because
say una ofiri mu ba. Me bra Orlando ye na machima ednesia e petwetwen kom. We bi enyom ani so acho. De kofa baaye ene baby ekosi na wonya mu nchiremu. Bra, now trip net say.
Onyame andum boko. Bia you fine.
Nice experience.
When
they will be mine. But one cho.
I say why won me adwuma yi na.
Me can we can say we did 3 days, but me can say we did 1 day. Because so we could draw that day na yen kan ka ho. Nti a day a unya 1 day pe. Because we to Thursday na.
Yeah, Thursday. Yeah.
Now could draw
into
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay. There was only 2 days.
Yeah. 2 days.
Yeah. Hey, what dare you? Kofi Adjololo. Brand ambassador ye den e buy because say na wo ho.
The thing say me hu say Elekem sa na friend of one. Elekem komodi o say ha. Oni Uncle Kofi eji ni ade. But na me ye because Elekem won ti asem na se.
Okay.
And I said yeah Uncle Kofi Adjololo no. Ne kasa mu no on kire se oni adwuma bia ya na se bisa. So I said yeah ko ba ni say Matilda Asare. Na you can say
project.
New project in
South Africa.
And we conference for the movie. Intina Adjololo ne other movie actors and actresses wo ho. Ko musuo ne omo kan movie ne ho nti. Ehu ya ni say Uncle Kojo Kofi Adjololo. A hodi man bi a wo producer. Intina is man ne de nika. O hwa our penache.
Okay. I say we do kana e bi kwa friend na on.
Sa friend na on fa ni.
Na what to ache no wan
kona. So we need the scanner so. We say need the scanner so.
Yeah.
And o to che no na o hodu no na my hu po. So on me no hu po so no e wa penyi nti I say
bi say see pressure
no dey hodi man no na gidi nkofo patai. Emuna na sa interview on Joy for
Is
it Joy
I think it's so.
Ama one also expressing the feelings mo de nika and na ma sa interview ni ba ya Elekem be so no.
So no share say producers issue actors are omuntua omoka
sa
nti omo de nika nti omuntua
nti na say the see ye no the see ye na ma lady ni bisa ho question
okay
ama Kofi Adjololo nsusu ye start to wo chirem nti so obi nti ase ana ese sa na kosi ye nya so ofiti ya na ase the bofu a kasa
because it is a 5 pack so I'm on 14 days so on fan render apology yes I am be band no sick of say or kasa because once am more producers e bia producer A producer B producer C dem ka but also producers entia kanti 5 pack so hu say a good the name producers association
okay me mom there say obusa me ma dwen kira and the true mom because na get so obo producer ni din ko le din ko obusa say producer ben and also 7 producers and mom there say 5 pack for e kan omudi because any producers nyina na etisa obo ho no ma foreign na kra na oba be producer wa ha otuaka na ha nti enye obia na etisa so aja say nti na ke say obo producer ni din Ghana de lack no say yes chiri kasem no Kofi Adjololo panyi oye papa panyi a obetimi awoye nyina so ate ase nke say o se chiri kase asomesi de meka enti na ma me bufu ya me kokodi no so na yi other producers ni nyina FM
because we feel say ono so etua na o kana sa egu ono so ho fin
sa enti na ma ola so be source no because all gas producers nyina dia na say Ghana producers omo ya kohwefo so ati ase sana ti
all right na say your fa na say your papa Kofi Adjololo e kan no dika na 5 packs so the 14 days apology we ban naba nti me to me na I'm expecting say bia within the 14 working days no your papa Kofi Adjololo e the producers na omode nika no edin beba because on the omudin ba I don't think say apology ne e be necessary because they are basing on say wa mo bi edi
sir
nti I'm hoping say within the 14 days no ko mo omudin na say in free
sir
bibia
na me de ekoso no mani age so what you say eno ne say eno na ehu dinti a movie no na ekofom na yesi foreign movies no omuji e na ma ne basa we na e kire the movies no ye den ekofom if you say ebika so what you say
ntu here na obe also frɛ na unti
na ye twema mentwe so what you say because amanfo twa movies ni be premiere Tracy Boache otwa movie obe premiere wode doctors nyina ba na ade ye hwɛ wonya ne sika eko international uko ufro plane na hu se yi movies bi wo plane ma yi nyina ye to so what you say nti we akere nti ye say Actors Guild and it's our producers and take his decision no remember if o ma nipa na wode ne ka no wode ne be ba bonten am ye nyina ye ho na next time
oh yeah jama wetu aka ye mfa powerful second nti bra in a way no Elekem the comedy so anti wa mfa ne ye o ni co-actor na say ni nwa keto na ne ba empo ne ba e no so be ka say e wo say otu omo ba no for say acting no oh yeah in as much as say your career no and I say your passion no e also pe sideline adwuma bia obetimi e de atwitwa age won say na be ya producer mouse kekra obetimi de twa hot so e na okoto bom say eni kwan say enka ye papa Kofi Adjololo kasa
one thing Elekem woni Kofi Adjololo you know sa hit up nearby okay yeah I think okay. It was very wrong to an extent, say. It was disrespectful from Elekem to Kofi Adjololo. Okay. You know the Elekem one year there back cry because when you baby are 73 by and sana man no be kasa ansem no. Okay. So one of them be patch. If you baby ne buy, man and a man so when you near wa ne makro bitimi asend ni sika. For the first say wo ye adwuma no nche say onye adwuma na say oni schedule
oya ban adwuma nko
so ati obi do ka ya What I say, obi do car, ya pa.
We on soon say onye adwuma nye. Two different things.
Sa on car say onye adwuma bia o ye.
Ni adwuma ye na me ho kire me.
Ndu be
ka say obi de meka.
Sa
Ontua meka. Nti me ka ma me.
Meanwhile bia you don't know companies and I say bia firm bia man na bia. Ono ne de ne say obi mo de meka, muntua meka. But so na wo plane kura, wo plane adwuma ma no obi de car, obi dan ne ka. What I say? Nti asem na okokan na osa ene no ko battle okay
say obe patch or say wan kasa ye nti nka yen twa ne tia ena omienu nyina kopi okay FM nti ho no ena o start say I think that video no was very emotional me hear na e ka craving ka me yesu say say ye papa Kofi Adjololo o say tears no kasa he was very emotional. And he Alekem ga say wa render apology or try so friend but no so said so me if I baby so ne against our friend on na ankasa of phone so
on say sometimes na pains you and papa no so hu ni say time me ka say omo de me ka no then na say wo ye
also friend
that is it
so we
won't say but social media ebe disrespect me sir. So I say this city and on the wapan do say bufu na he onim elekem no onim nase nti wo ntimi emma metro me wo yina won sa my friend that is it and asem no so de we na Ghana no de tie ni say asem ni sia de be sin ekochen de be sa be chi
de obeka bia imura
so what I say
yeah you post ya na sia no opa correct you post that
sa so we do say how apa no
okay.
I don't know I'm say apology na say no hu say ehun hia so what I say but papa no besanka elekem ne actors ni nyina no they come together to fight this
one call so you pay actors then you
ba won kwa you hu say
o de okay
o you okay o pamadi
o na big gate ba
so hu na big gate ba so what I say
and they assembly no credit or how that it was very disrespectful as me bra penny kind because and I'm here video no me no credit me soon me soon we anisa because say o your papa penny na o start adwuma na nye ne ne videos ni bebre na inspiring bisa no am follow the trend na o can same way areho same way to no so nti your papa abufuom no o say apology no Alekem fan come papa dream that wordness was too strong. It was too strong.
Na said na Alekem kasa kese no ha no ana ma ono so ye den kasa
Alekem I think say or say your papa Kofi Adjololo ka say uncle pa or papa wo wu che no or wa che opa bi on fan ko papa wo wu che no na I think
say a che opa no fan ko ma ni papa e o ne baby
yeah ne naso
papa ndi wan kasa ye and Alekem so retrieving the apology because Kofi Adjololo said that no it was double disrespectfulness
yeah
what I say onim I mean che wa dey so oni penimunya I say oba said the oye boni otimi bono pa no betimi aboba kra ma abawu ebi bu omo sana oni penimu delina oye boni etie so far as who say wabo abrabo ni bia chen no masa obetimi akese that is why people curse penifo ntimi curse no because baby a ne honhom aduru no ebi a wo de nduru ho sa asem bia ne bufo obetimi akasem bia kire ba wo akwara na so you careful
I will kasem
that is it because ono no hu say within a minute or an hour you can lose anything in your life so what I say nti no na ma Kofi Adjololo yes Alekem made a mistake
so because I retrieve
that
the
is
apology.
It or a big mistake to retrieve the apology let the apology be there na come and judge it. What you say?
I think that with the apology in the crowd and car or can't ask him no bit me actually say daddy asem na wa kasa me papa che wa samando no me ya pai but they see ye bia no Mr. Ofache me
that is it
I think it's very nice to go in that way say
because only me problem is say upon everything it seems Alekem is the only one over out akasa
Yeah.
Man, let me tell you. Look at the life of Liadabo. Look at the life of Don Little. Look at the life of Joe Sotingo.
Yeah.
Look at the life of Company. You show more.
Yeah.
Into almost over some Copamadiana. So on them patch no person almost Copamadiana. And now person Copeja blocks and God has given them talent to feed on. And if Ebian say this guy is it Yadabo Alpha Kofi as someone as manager no because Kofi see no contract now you can be on contract but still, because of the relationship I know many producers ni one so we are from Kebim sa normally when you say I say so what you say producer do all the can say producer do cast see o actor producer do cast see na corner ko yere ni gia on phone Kebim obede didi
obesa catch na for say
that is it that is what happened to Ejako le when mu nyina na ebitimi ye omo e fa woni Kebim so what you say sometimes and young if only be Kasa be say le kemo Kasa me I don't agree with the Okan he was totally wrong
I think
and somehow right to an extent say it the Okan is an advice though but it's not to
but I think that the advice it's not even for the mainstream actors.
That is it.
It's for the upcoming ones.
That is it.
For instance, when people call say Poleeno you say you started movie production I first ask you say what you doing e me school ni be me ejuma fine but because I will bum for front producer be any and as director be any who be to your so find something a be ma at least a revenue be kakra now they are supporting you but and yet to be a why act to this level
so what I say only I no can so can use as an advice to everyone.
The upcoming
so ones. What I say we know the life of this man who died. It was in Penifoni
okay, like for
the music industry and those things. Music industry ni movie you know. Like
say no na me papa Kofi Adjololo so ka say because omu because enye say bia nko mu ni sika wo. Ye ntua omoka nti se wa be fa me oni matwa movies be 10 utua be 2 8 na aka na wo ho nti me nyini no e kombe de me e bia sky was an kam de investment na me nsa anka nti me ntimi anye investment nti e kombe de me nti o fight say producers no mo de ye adwuma mo ntia ye ka
ano kind but he has to mention
names
for that 14 days
no ban no
so at I say nti maybe the me say producers no actors no they should come together. Ghana movies on I want for people Ghana movies I want for people but ye who say more hitches so what I say more hitches even the producers so all producers platforms on to call more kun so Ghana producers kun so it is very bad. Ebi ti say Matilda Asare okoji sikaya no more do we assure say Matilda Asare is now a producer of that movie meboa enti wo minimum producers bia omo so na omo go against Matilda sika na okoji ye no omo so search so what I say so
if man e kwenyi no yie mu no mbese ebeye kama
that is it they are not together. They are not together.
And you na the buy so they are yembo.
So what I say, uko Hollywood na dey on compare no. I don't think say it is
producers were 10 18
what I say, to ka bom ye adwuma ba ko.
So why we laugh?
So what I say the whole world ye hwe.
Omumpo no omo scam.
That is it. Enti na producers ni actors nkasa. Producer nkasa marketer ni producer nkasa so
a whole lot
actors nkasa what you say now anyway kun so ana akwa beduru we afede e ka dan nyina ba traditional TV show
a whole lot enti Brambaja futu be na do ma elekem na e bia den na be ka kire papa Kofi Adjololo
me de me ka kire Elekam ni say and even the youth under, and the youth crana, those actors now, are strong. No, go can be a strong man or strong guy. They should be careful with impenufono.
Okay.
To say yes, I said it was totally wrong. And or advice he should keep on advising the youth coming.
Yeah.
So what I say, not to throw shades to asamo be a can house you don't know where it came from.
Yeah.
What I say, anka obi de Kofi Adjololo car. Anka maybe a hian is our car, and can be over ready so akoka. But he be na see ye. E man ye den. You do have a panic saying na no hope. Intimidated and say he should look out for.
Because I say interview, no, do you think I should be okay? Or start the interview?
That is it.
Or can be the
American child come say, on relaxing on tone of war. Early come in cool age, in actors, no. One share how be see a casa. I won't send me one attempt be a shame same and as over friendly panel in a casa. And sana I could reduce one mako so which is a DB I will share crana who say. And for my industry, so I say, intimate catch uncle Kofi Adjololo so say, Messena Nyabasa, when the producers in Casa, they say the producers never need the penny phone. No, no, Moncasa no be a car, producers on some Tiana car, they say one you they say one you slave queen for Inzona. They say almost the interest.
Ramen, I see the brace. Why my inche a foot to be brave. Now, I share the way forward to build this industry. Hi, Poleeno Multimedia. Your friend me, I'm strong. Poleeno there. Subscribe to Poleeno Multimedia. Follow your Instagrams, Poleeno_com. Let's share videos.